Burning feet at night, eat these at the wrong time, waste them. Your nerves have a repair shift. It runs from 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. That's when your body fixes damaged nerve tissue. But here's the problem. Most people eat the right foods at the wrong times, and the repair crew never shows up. Tonight, I want you to eat a handful of walnuts 30 minutes before bed. Not at breakfast, not at noon, 30 minutes before you go to sleep. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fats. These fats are the bricks your nerves use to rebuild their protective coating, the myelin sheath. But your body only delivers those bricks during the repair shift. Eat them at lunch and they're gone by 10 p.m. Eat them before bed and they're on site when the crew clocks in. Think of your repair crew like a night shift. They only work between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. If you're still lit up at midnight, scrolling, snacking on sugar, they can't get on site. Step 1, start dimming the lights at 9:30. Now, here's a surprise. The nighttime snack is only 1/3 of the protocol. Your nerves need fuel at 3 specific times during the day. Miss one window and the whole chain breaks. Your first window is morning, between 7 and 9 a.m. When you wake up, your nerves have been fasting all night. They need protein. Not a bagel, not orange juice, not coffee. They need protein because protein gives your body the building blocks to make neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that let nerves talk to each other. Here's what I want you to eat: 2 eggs and a handful of spinach. The eggs give you the protein, the spinach gives you the B vitamins, specifically B1 and B12, which are 2 of the most important vitamins for nerve health. Low B12 is one of the most common causes of neuropathy. You can write that one down. But here's the key. I also want 600 milligrams of alpha lipoic acid with your breakfast. ALA is the most studied nutrient for nerve pain relief. It's an antioxidant that acts like a sponge, soaking up the oxidative stress that damages your nerve cells. Think of it like a cellular rust that's built up on your nerves. ALA scrubs it off, but take it with food, specifically with fat, because ALA is fat soluble. Those eggs and spinach, perfect vehicle. But also make sure you're getting the R form. Twice as absorptive than the regular ALA. It's a little more money, but worth. But here's where it gets interesting. The afternoon is where most people blow their nerve health, and they don't even know it. Between 1 and 3 p.m., your blood sugar spikes naturally. This happens even if you're not a diabetic. It's your body's normal afternoon cortisol rhythm. When your blood sugar spikes, it creates inflammation, and inflammation is gasoline on a fire for nerve pain. So here's what I want you to do. At 2 p.m., right when the sugar spike hits, eat 1 cup of berries. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, any of them, all of them. Berries are packed with anthocyanins. That's the pigment that makes them blue and purple. Those pigments are some of the strongest natural anti-inflammatories on the planet. They blunt the sugar spike and protect your nerves from the damage it could cause. Now, add a pinch of turmeric to your lunch. Not in a pill, real turmeric, the kind you sprinkle on food. Half a teaspoon. Your body struggles to absorb curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, on its own. Always have a pinch of black pepper. The black pepper boosts absorption by 2,000%. You can write that one down too, and it's not a typo. I eat turmeric and black pepper on my eggs every day. I mix it in with my breakfast. On rice, on roasted vegetables, it doesn't take much. Half a teaspoon with a crack of pepper. That's a habit, not a diet change. A habit. All right, let's map the whole day. 7 to 9 a.m. breakfast. 2 eggs, a handful of spinach, 600 milligrams of ALA with food, the R-ALA version. This fuels your nerve signaling for the day and scrubs overnight oxidative stress. 12 to 1 p.m., lunch. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric with black pepper to whatever you're eating. This is your anti-inflammatory base. 2 p.m., snack. 1 cup of berries. This blunts the afternoon sugar spike and protects your nerves from inflammatory damage. 9:30 p.m., wind it down. Dim the lights. No screens, no sugar. You're clearing the construction site so the repair crew can work. 9:30 to 10 p.m., evening snack. 1 handful of walnuts. The omega-3 fats arrive on site just as the repair shift starts. That's the protocol. 4 simple food moments across the day. Every single one of them is timed to a specific biological rhythm. You're not guessing, you're working with your body's clock. Common mistake is Eating the walnuts at 7 p.m. instead of 9:30. It's a little too early. Your body burns through those omega-3s in about 2 hours. If you eat them at 7, the bricks are gone by 9. The repair shift starts at 10. No bricks on site. Eat them at 9:30. They arrive right on time. Second mistake, skipping the berries. People think, I eat healthy and skip the afternoon snack. But the berries aren't about nutrition in general. They're about that specific 2 p.m. sugar spike. If you skip them, the spike happens unprotected. Your nerves take the hit. Let's see if the protocol is working. Tomorrow morning, when you first wake up, I want you to check 2 things. First, do your feet feel warmer or colder than usual? Cold feet in the morning can mean poor circulation. If you're doing the protocol, your feet should gradually feel warmer over the first week or maybe a few weeks. Everyone's a little different. Second, rate your morning numbness on a scale of 1 to 10 or your symptoms that you're dealing with. Write it down. Do this every morning for the entire week. If the number goes down, even by 1 point, the protocol is working. The repair crew showed up. The bricks arrived. Drop a comment below. Tell me your morning number, day 1 and day 7. I want to see the shift. If this is your first time hearing about nerve repair timing, start with just one thing, the walnuts, 1 handful, 30 minutes before bed. That's the adjustment. I break down the full overnight nerve repair protocol, including the specific supplements, the sleep positions, and the magnesium glycinate dose in another video right here on our channel. I'll link it here. Start with just one thing. We'll see you in the next one. If you like what we're talking about, please like and subscribe so we can share more videos with you. I'm Dr. Andy Fetterman with the Nerve Relief Project. I'll see you in the next video.